Well, hey guys, this is Ralph Prado, and I'm going to be your virtual coach. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a nice looking, professional, high quality lead capture page so that you can have people who look at this and see that you're serious because you've got a nice looking website. That's going to increase your conversions. Now, where I got this from, I looked all over the place, by the way, and I went through a lot of different services. I tried them out, and I found a lot of sites that, quite frankly, were very expensive, and they didn't have what this website provides. What it's going to give you, first of all, is a nice looking website for zero cost. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last because I don't own the company, but it's not going to cost you a penny to use this website service. Okay, the website, I'm going to give you there's going to be a link below this video, but the website is simpleleadcapture.com. So again, I can't make any promises on how long it's going to last, but it's free right now, so take advantage of it. Okay, so what I'm showing you right here, right now, is an example of one of the templates that's inside of the back office. And they've got some different ones, and I'm going to show you in just a minute. But this is the one that I selected, and I made an example page before I decided to use it. But what I really like about this service is that you can use it and it's fully functional without paying a dime, meaning that you can start editing this and input your own email autoresponder. And when somebody clicks on that button that says show me to submit their email, you can make that already go to whatever web page you want to go to. So that is really cool. Sorry, let me show you how to get started with this here. So let's go first to the website, and again it's simpleleadcapture.com. And what you do is you register first, and you finally get inside here. There's going to be a link up on the right hand side that's going to say create a new lead capture page. Now you may need to confirm an email address, but once you're back in here, that's where you're going to go to. Alright, and once you're inside there, it's going to give you the page that looks like this. And at the very top, you're going to see these different variations of themes that are inside of the back office. So what you'll do is just click on them one at a time and take a look at the ones that take a look at and find one that you really like. And I'm just going to scan the pages here because my web browser is working a little bit slow, so to save time, I've just got other pages opened up here. So as you see, anything below where it says use this theme, that is what the web page looks like. So the top part is just to navigate. So just go through those, find one that you like, and if you click on the right hand side, by the way, at the end here they've got a couple more that you may want to use, but these are really nice high quality pages. Alright, so I'm going to select the one that I created before, so I've got a second copy, so I'm familiar with it. So here's what you do. In the top box here which says page name, put in a name that you're going to want to use just as a reference point. Okay, this is not something that anyone else is going to see. It's just for your eyes only. All right, so put in whatever you want, and let me just put this name it test 2. And for page link, this is a name that you're going to have at the end of your web address. All right, so make sure that whatever you put in here is something that is maybe going to be easy for people to remember, perhaps. Now, if you're going to use your own domain name, remember you can use a domain name and have it automatically mask or overlap this web page here. So it really doesn't matter what's at the end of the URL because no one's going to see it. But that's totally up to you. However, what you put in this box here is going to be shown in the web address or the URL. All right, so we'll just name this test 2. That's what I'm going to put in. Alright, when you're done with that, click on the next button, because right now we're in the Info tab. Click on Media, and that's going to give you some other options. If you wanted to change the background, you could do that. I haven't played around with these, so I'm not going to do it right now because I think it's going to change the image. And then go on to Form. And in the form section, this is where you can control where the page goes to after someone enters their email address. So as soon as I hit that submit button, you can tell this web page here that, all right, take this person now to this other website. So that way the person who fills out the form is just a seamless transfer from their current web page to another web page. All right, so you can send them over to a business opportunity. You can send them to a product page, a registration page, a video, whatever you want. You're going to be able to control that. So for this, you're going to need an email autoresponder. Now I'm going to give you a link later on where to get this, but I use a company called Aweber. So I'm going to copy my code here, and then I'm going to put it into this box here. And by the way, when you use this with Aweber, what you're going to do is you're going to click on raw HTML, and you're going to take off, forgot to do that, take off the beautiful form styles. So we don't need that. All right, I'm just pasting this in. And for the button text, it says right now, okay, show me. I'm going to put that to okay, show me how. So I've changed that. And instead of having a thank you message, again, you can control where the page goes to afterwards. So I'm going to put in my web address. And this is my affiliate link back to our replicated website, which if you have not signed up for my website yet, there's a link at the bottom, so you can do that, and you can get your own replicated web page, so that way people come in here and they get trained and you don't have to do it. I'll do it for you. So you put in that page there, and then you go to style. You can take a look to see, what the button should look like, and I'm going to make this orange. And can I change the background color? The text color, I mean. Let's see if I can change that. Alright, and SEO we don't really have to worry about, but you can change the page title, so if it comes up on the internet, that should change as well. So I'm just going to leave that alone. But you can input that, and as well as the meta keywords and your meta description. And what else is here? We've got some extras. If you want to add on a privacy policy, and then you would put in a web address to wherever your privacy policy is at. Your income disclaimer link, you could put that in as well by just checking off the button and then putting in the web address. I'm not going to do that. And it says page exit action, none. Do you want a pop-up message? Those are some other options you can play around with, but I'm going to leave those alone. All right, let me go back, and I'm going to change the information that's here at the top. Now, if I wanted to leave it alone completely, I can, but let's say that you want a different message on top, like me. Let's say I want to put 100% free video, and then leave the rest alone, and this is what the web page will look like. Now, if this font is a little bit small, what I figured out is that I can copy, let's say, these letters here, and I'm going to paste it right inside there. And then what I can just start doing is retyping the message in the bottom. Alright, so now I've changed that information. I want to get rid of this line here because, again, that font to me is just a little too small. And then we've got a really long sentence here, so I'm going to make that a little bit shorter. So all I did is I highlighted it, and I'm clicking on the delete button to get rid of that. Now, if I wanted bigger font, I could have replaced the font like I did before. All right, so I'm pretty happy with this because, again, this is just a test page. I just want to show you how to get here. And as you notice here, this thing is not really centered. The lettering here is off to the right-hand side. So we'll see if that gets changed once I save it. So I'm pretty much done here. I'm going to click on the save button or save page button. And we're just waiting for this to pop up. Alright, so now it's saved it and it's located right there. So I'm going to click on test 2. And now we've got the page. And as you've seen, or as you can see here, the paragraph that's here in the middle has centered off, so it's not running off onto the right hand side. So this is a complete full page, and we're going to test out to see if this really works. So I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to click on OK, show me how. And alright, great. It's taken me over inside of the website. So it's done exactly what I wanted it to do. And I didn't, as you saw, I didn't have to enter a credit card number or anything like that. It's all free. So check this out. Go to simpleleadcapture.com and create your page. Now, here's something that I want to talk about real quickly that will help to make your conversions even better. All right? Here's the secret. What you do is in your message is in the very top, whoever it is that you're trying to show this to, let's say it's a special group of people. Let's say that you're appealing to some organization that you know is having trouble with recruiting or getting traffic, whoever that may be. What you're going to do is say attention at the very top, and then the name of the organization or name of the members. Now, I'm not going to give the name of a company here, but all you do is just put that at the very top. Put in attention, and then the name of the member organization, whoever they may be. And then that way, when they read this, they can then look at it and instantly connect with that message because you're calling them out by name. You understand? So at the very top here, or somewhere within your message, make sure that you refer to that organization member, or even let's say it's a single parent. You can say attention single parents, attention single fathers, attention single mothers, whatever that group is, or wherever that audience is, call them out by name and put that in the very top. And that way, when they see that, they instantly recognize that you're talking to them, and that's going to increase the amount of conversions that you have because people are going to recognize it, connect with it, and they're going to it's going to increase their attention span on what you're trying to show them. So, all right, that's this completes this training on how to get a lead capture page. And again, the website is simpleleadcapture.com. Click on the link below, play around with it, and check it out. See what you think. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.